Hey, how's it going, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and we are going to be downsizing. Reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to school, and while I'm going to school, I won't be able to have my beautiful full setup here, so I'm gonna have to downsize it somehow, which I've already gotten the stuff for it, and I'm gonna show you here today. So let me show you what I got. Okay, well first let me show you what I'm downsizing from. Mind you, I did not clean any of these before this. Not throwing these away, I'm not selling them. I'm just putting them away for now and probably use them in the future. First thing I'm downsizing is my keyboard. I have this keyboard that has the 10 key on the side, the arrows, these ones, all this. Gives me enough room to type and feels good, feels okay. It's not the best keyboard you can ever get. And it's wired. I'm going from this guy to this guy. This is just like a $25 item on Amazon. I did get it off someone off of Facebook Marketplace for like $15, so I probably got like maybe half off. It is a lot smaller than the one I did have. Going from this to this. This is not wireless, it is still wired. It's easy to put away. It does have the red switches. They feel pretty good, they sound good, and I've been playing with it for about a week now. So, next item, these are my headphones that I had plugged into my audio interface, and this would plug into here, and this is what I use Focusrite. So it served me well. I'm still gonna be using this for music for now, and if I do need it, I'll bring it out and record music. So this would connect to this, and I would talk into this for my microphone, and this is just like a cheapo mic, condenser mic, but it sounds good, works. I use it for all my music and works well. And here's the mic arm I would put it on, mic thing, and the wires. So I'm going from all this, and it's all being condensed down to this guy. Razer headset with a built-in microphone. Been using it for a little bit, and it works. Audio's not that great, but it works. Audio's not as good as, you know, like good interface and decent microphone, but it gets the job done, and I'm only gonna use this for maybe music now, from now on. Just for like video games and general chatting on like Discord or whatever. This is perfect for that. So yeah, all that's getting downsized into this. Fits pretty well, feels good, sounds good. Yeah. Next thing I'm downsizing, I think you can see it over here, is my monitor setup. I do love it. Love it a lot. Love the 2 monitor stuff. I've had this monitor for a long time now. A little bit after I built my PC and upgraded it, I've upgraded to this. It's a 1080p monitor, 165 hertz, and it's been serving me well to this day. Hoping once I get through school and stuff, I can bring this back out and use it. I might bring it back out at some point and use it, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna miss the big wide curved screen. But I'm downsizing from that to this guy. This is a MSI 16-inch 1080p monitor. It's only 60 hertz. I also got this off of Facebook Marketplace for like $55. So, and these usually run about $90 to $100. So I've saved some money on that. You know, this is perfect for what I need to do, like video games and general computer usage. So yeah, so like that. And for the biggest thing is my PC. I need to downsize my PC. My PC is amazing, and I'm gonna try and keep everything the way it is right now, but I need to downsize that so I can move it around easier. But okay, so I bought this off of Amazon for like $35, and it's this guy. I'll have more details down at the bottom for all these stuff. I'm gonna be downsizing to this guy, the MATX PC case. I was considering going down to ITX for my setup, but for my price point, $35 as opposed to buying a new motherboard. I'm hoping this could fit my old heatsink. I'm hoping it does, but we'll see. I don't know. Well, but you guys are gonna see me downsize my PC, so this is what we're gonna get to now. Let's get down to the PC transplant. Yeah, all right, go. If you can see, oh god, you can't see, hold on. So if you could see, I put my RAM in wrong and it's messed up. That cover's not in all the way. I think that's what's causing some problems. It works, it turns on, but the computer's been kind of giving me some problems. But from the looks of it, yeah, I installed it. It didn't sound bad when I put it in the thing, but yeah, it's bad. Gotta reinstall it, so let me do that real quick and I'll be back. So now, looks like no issues. Oh, there goes the screw. Okay. Okay, this is what I was kind of dreading because I don't think my heatsink will fit in here. Nope. It's just too big. And I was thinking, do I even need a side panel? I might just end up changing out the heatsink anyway, so there's that too. Okay, so I kind of skipped a lot, but this is pretty much it. It's all together. We got this fitting. Oh my god, the cable management is kind of horrible. I can only fit one fan so far. I need to order some little fans, so maybe like 2 more of like a 90mm fans. I think can fit in here. Cause I got a 190, I think. Yeah, 120mm, and this is not going to fit. It doesn't fit in there, and I tried to fit it anywhere else. This can't even fit in the bottom. I can only fit this 180, I think, 180mm in there, and it fit, but I might have to just get a 90mm, maybe 2 or 3. I can only fit maybe 3 90s in there, or just 2 more. But got everything fit. I even got my 2 SSDs on the bottom. Wasn't really sure where they're supposed to go, but I got everything kind of tied down. Everything's kind of out of the way. It's not hitting the fans. So hopefully it just posts when I turn it back on. So let me get the feet back on, and then I will go over to my desk and set up my setup the way it's gonna be when I'm in school. So we'll go there. So we'll go. Okay, let's just see if it actually posts like it's supposed to. Okay, it's turning on. Oh, I need to turn on the It seems to have posted. Nice. We're in. Okay. Yeah, so you saw me put this together. Still can't fit the thing. It's not enough space. It won't fit. So I might have to probably get a new heat sink that would fit this. But everything else fit. It was able to transplant pretty well. Like I said, I can only fit one fan, so I need more fans. And it fit the GPU. I had to do a little bit of well, not a little bit, a lot of cable management, but I was able to fit everything in there. But other than that, this build I would rate for the PC itself is pretty tight. Okay, so it's running a game. I mean, it's the same exact PC, it's just in a smaller case. And I got the 1080p monitor, which looks totally fine playing this game, playing Warframe, and I think any other game would be fine. 60 hertz doesn't really look any, you know, like I'm so used to like my old monitor with the 165 hertz, but you know, it's better than nothing, you know. The keyboard is pretty good, it feels good to play, you know, it's not the best keyboard you can ever get, but it's like really cheap to get. And mouse, I'm just gonna keep the same that I had before because there's can't really downsize the mouse. I'm gonna keep the mouse pad and everything. So yeah, this is it. And okay, so you guys might be asking yourself, Darian, why didn't you buy a laptop? And the answer would be money. A pretty decent laptop these days go about, I don't know, $300 to $400, if that. And to buy a cheap used one, that would probably not even get this much performance. You know, downsizing my setup to a smaller screen, a portable screen, smaller keyboard, smaller PC that has a carrying handle so I can move it easier. You know, I'm not gonna be moving it that much anyway. And check this out. I already have a laptop. I repaired this, I put a new battery in, I replaced the screen, I have a video in all this. It's called Return of the Mac. And this is what I'm gonna be using mostly for like school and classes and stuff. And it works perfectly fine. All of you saying get a laptop, I already have one. I have another one, an way older one, like a Windows 7 laptop that I can probably upgrade and whatever. But for gaming and whatever, this is my setup, you know, for like the weekend, and you know, I can play with my friends and whatnot. But this is for school, you know, this is what I'm gonna be using. So if that answers your question or any concerns, this is what I have. So a couple of other things too. I will have to get another heat sink and maybe some more fans. I don't have any 90mm fans. I just fit my 180, I think it's called, a 180 fan, or 160. I don't know, it fit, but I can only fit one. So if I can get at least two 120 fans on top and one 90mm fan on the back for exhaust and stuff, that'll be perfect. But right now, the heatsink's the most important thing because I want to be able to close this up with the side panel. It's not the best side panel in the world. It's just plastic. It's not really anything, but it'll protect it in some way. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I'm gonna be playing this. I'm gonna be testing this out today or tonight. And yeah, guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe. And yeah, so thanks, guys.